What's up, guys? So I'm going to be talking about why fire alarm voice evac systems exist. So the reason why fire alarm voice evac systems exist because fire alarm voice evacs give out instructions to people to let them know when there's a fire in the building or if it's a fire drill. Or the voice evac can tell you if the fire alarm is pulled in the building. Or it could be a false alarm. And the voice evac can tell you to disregard if it's a false alarm. So fire alarm voice evac systems are very common in buildings because horn strobes are pretty stressful to people because they're loud and it hurts people's ears. That's why they put speaker strobes in new buildings and schools during renovations, because speaker strobes aren't that loud, but they can be loud sometimes. So I'm going to plan to put a fire alarm speaker strobe voice evac system, which is going to be an Edwards fire alarm voice evac system through the whole house, and speakers only versions outside on the outside walls in the house. So speaker strobes for fire alarm voice evacs are really helpful for people. That's all I have to say today. Have a good day, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications when I post brand new videos on YouTube.